Greetings from the Minute Sweets family. I hope you're having a wonderful and healthy day. To promote wellness while traveling, Minute Sweets has opened up our Clean and Serene giveaway. That means you can win prizes by showing us how you're staying well while traveling. This contest is open right now and it'll be open all the way through April 3rd at 11:59 p.m. You can win great prizes. Those prizes include two $50 cash gift cards. Then we also have two $100 cash gift cards. And the grand prize is a $150 cash gift card plus an 8-hour stay at any of our Minute Sweets locations. So that's 5 prizes altogether. Quite a few prizes for you to win, so make sure you get entering. How are you going to enter this contest, you might ask? Well, I'm getting to that now. You take a picture of how you are staying well on the go. It doesn't have to be flying. It doesn't have to be you driving around in some sort of public transit. It's wherever you're going. If you're headed to work, if you're going to the grocery store, you have to go shopping for something, just show us how you're staying well. You're bringing hand sanitizer, wipes. That'll show us that you are promoting health in your life and in your community. So you're going to take this picture, post it onto Instagram or Twitter, and use the hashtag Clean and Serene. That'll make sure that your picture links up to the entries that you're going to get. You get 5 entries per picture, and you can post them daily. So if you have a lot of ways you're staying well, make sure you let us know. Now, there are a few other ways that you can also enter. There's a link below that gives you the whole entire list. One way is by following us on LinkedIn, visiting our Facebook page, visiting our Instagram page, or subscribing to our newsletter. So get out there and start entering this contest. As I said before, the link is right below in the description box. Get those pictures posted on Instagram and Twitter with the Clean and Serene hashtag. And from all of us here at the Minute Sweets family, we hope you have a clean and serene day.